How are we all? Right, buzzing, banging day, weather's lovely again, you know what I mean? Beamers, you'll have a chance. I've got some upgrades for the Fez, do you know what I mean? I treated myself, why not, do you know what I mean? So it's one of them, dole pay packet coming, you know what I mean? Don't tell taxman, because like I say, everyone knows, you know what I mean? I'm out working in my IVs, but everyone says I'm on the dole as well, so I'm getting double the pay, you know what I mean? So it's one of them, lads, but I've got something new, look at this, come and unbox it with me, it's fucking banging. It's not TikTok shop either, it's the fucking shabby do for the fucking beast, mate. ST150, future classic, lads. Let's have a look, come on. Look at this baby, look at it, solid, you know what I mean? Turbos, the lot in there, solid. You don't need turbos where I'm going, eh? Bosh, bosh, bosh. It's like Christmas, lads. Look at it. Look at that, it's bigger on the inside. Look, we've got another one. I'll give you a guess, lads. Go to the comments now, drop what you think it is, you know what I mean? Is it a turbo? You know what I mean? Is it a fully forged turbo? Do you know what I mean? We don't know. I'll give you a clue. It's got something to do with photons. I went on about them the other day. You know what I mean? Light ain't got note on me, lads. Have you guessed why it is yet? Let's have a butcher. I'm a big kid, lads. Here we are. Look at that. Oh, brand new. Oh, fucking hell. What a treat. First new thing that's going on to the Fez, eh? Oh, I'm not happy about that. It's going back. Yeah, it's well smart, lads. What do you think? Absolutely banging. LEDs, I believe. It's just some kind of aftermarket anyway. They look absolutely banging, lads. Do you know what I mean? I've also bought some wind mirror covers as well as a little project. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to spray them black, and I'm thinking maybe a Kawasaki green kind of texture. So maybe I'm going to get some stencils out. I'm not going to put ST, you know what I mean? I'd rather put Death Star, you know what I mean? Because Star Wars is sick, but it's one of them. But anyway, lads, there we go. Brand new headlights. What do you think? I'll post another video when they're actually on the machine. I'm just a sucker for this sort of stuff, so I had to open it now. So it's one of them. Let's have another quick look, and I'll see you guys at top end. Absolutely beautiful. I had to sell my left kidney, lads, but they're banging. They're banging. We're winning.